Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let's make quick delicious donut snacks. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Do like and share this video. So to make your donut, first take out your mixing bowl, then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, add your instant dry active yeast. If you are not using instant yeast, make sure you prove your yeast before adding. Then add your white sugar. Use a whisk or a spatula to mix everything together. So next, go ahead and add your almond extract. You can use vanilla extract or any flavor of your choice for these snacks. After adding your flavor, then add a pinch of salt to taste. Then add your 1 whole raw egg. So after adding in the egg, start adding in your wet ingredients gradually. Do not add your milk at once. Add gradually while you mix. Continue mixing all the ingredients together until you form a dough with it. Once you form a dough, then go ahead and add your soft butter. Make sure you are using unsalted butter for this recipe. After adding in your butter, then switch to using your hand to mix the butter and the dough together. After mixing your butter and the dough together, then sprinkle some flour on a clean and dry surface. Then transfer your dough onto the dry surface. Start kneading the dough with your hand for at least 8 to 10 minutes. But if you are using a food processor, it will be less than that. Once you achieve a smooth and non-stick dough, then form a ball shape with your dough. Transfer it back to your mixing bowl, then cover it and let it rest for about 40 minutes. "40 minutes later, as you can see, the volume of my dough increased. Then go ahead and take out the dough from your mixing bowl. Place it on a clean dry surface, then sprinkle some flour on it. Use your rolling pin to flatten the dough. So when flattening your dough, try to form a rectangular shape with it. So after flattening your dough, use a pizza cutter to cut your dough into triangular shapes. And after cutting your flattened dough to form a triangular shape, then roll the dough to form a croissant shape. Once you are done rolling out your dough, take out your baking tray, spread your baking sheet on the baking tray, then sprinkle some flour on it. Arrange your dough on the baking tray, cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, take out your deep sauce pan. Place it on the heat, add some vegetable oil and let it heat up for some time. Then start adding your dough into your frying pan. Fry your dough on a low heat for 5 minutes. Once your dough starts turning golden brown, flip the other side and let it fry for another more 5 minutes. After you are done frying your dough, then use a strainer to take them off the heat. Place them on your kitchen towel to drain the excess oil on it. After frying the first batch, repeat the same process with the remaining dough. So guys, as you can see, my donut snacks is ready. And don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. To all my new and old subscribers, you all are welcome to my channel. A big shout out to you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't